Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy here Abdul from Tech112. On this video guys of today, I got something surprisingly, it's a great smartphone out there, which is a specification killer, and you'll be like, wow, this is an amazing device out there. Now this device is from China. In China I have seen these devices, like it's something which is quite amazing what they're doing, those guys, something which is quite amazing, and there are budget devices out there. So instead of you focusing and thinking that you can purchase a brand new iPhone 10, or you're thinking about getting an Apple product which is a smartphone which is a high-end price, well, on these devices perhaps they might change your mind and you may get focused on this kind of devices out there, which are surprisingly they're great devices. So these devices of today, it's called Oukitel. Yeah, Oukitel. Oukitel is a smartphone brand devices which is from China, and I was thinking that I should just throw a hands on that device. Now we don't have the device yet, but I'll break it down on terms of the device. This is an Oukitel K6. On these devices has a 6 GB of RAM, and surprisingly, something which is quite amazing on this device, it has 4 cameras. 2 cameras at the front, which are 13 megapixel camera, and 2 cameras at the back, which are 21 megapixel camera. I mean, one is 16 and the other one has another kind of megapixel, and at the front it's an 8 megapixel interpolated. They have a 13 megapixel camera. On this kind of device, they boosted on terms of camera. Now I was thinking, we have OnePlus 5T, we have Samsung Galaxy Note 8, we have those kind of high-end devices out there, and they do marvelous. But these kind of devices, it will just be so much amazing. You'll ask me why. It's because of its price. What these guys they did, they were thinking out of the box, that we give the people a smartphone which is budget, but it has a little bit of advanced features which they won't be distracted on their wallet and money and stuff like that, which would be very amazing. So this Oukitel has it takes sharp images when it comes to a picture, and it focuses on depth field, which is amazing. Surprisingly, I was feeling like, whoa, I should just get this device. So this device, it's out there on AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below so you can go and check it out, and it has a 6,300 milliampere battery, which is quite amazing, and it has a little bit of something like NFC on it, something which I was so shocked, and I was like, wow, this is a kind of newer technology on these devices. They support NFC, which I throw a thumbs up on that. Another kind of stuff which is amazing on the device, it has an IPS screen. Now IPS screen is a little bit different with other display of Samsung devices and other type of devices, but it's a great screen out there which has a brighter and good display. So this phone rocks 5.9 inch on terms of display, but I don't know why they could just keep it 6 inch. It could be amazing, but even 5.9 inch is not a bad product. It's still a good product out there. So these devices, they focused on specification, and they try to keep storage 64 GB, something which is amazing, 64 GB. So if you want to instead of a memory card, perhaps they might think about it, and they'll tell you stick with 64 GB, because if you have 64 GB, you'll be having a cloud storage which will be helping you out. Another kind of stuff on the device which is quite amazing, and this is surprisingly, it has an octa-core MTK processor, and this is an RA Mali. So this kind of processor, it's an 8-core processor, but I wonder, there's a kind of problem on those processors MTK, they're Helio, but I think they have fixed it, because this is an Helio going to Helio 25, so P25, so something which is quite amazing on this device. So this is an Oukitel K6, and these are my first impression and thoughts on this device, and it's a great device out there. It will never go outbound your wallet, and it's a budget device to get started with a good smartphone. And there are only 2 colors on the device. There's a black and blue. I don't know what did they do that. They could just keep space gray, blue, charcoal dark. They could keep even 4 colors, but that's what the company decided. So these are just our thoughts, but that's just what company they just decided. So on my thoughts, main thoughts is that this device, if you're looking forward to get a good device in 2018, this device is a great device out there, and it's a budget device which will never break your wallet, and it can replace all other big branded products out there which they're high-end price. But this device, it's a great device out there, full body metal, USB type C, and it's a great device out there. So it tracks an Android 7.1, which is great. I never talked about that. So Android 7.1 comes with it, and I hope that they'll plan an upgrade to Android 8.0. So my final thoughts on this device is that if you're out there thinking about getting a device, this is the device way to go. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe, because it will be helping us a lot growing the channel, and it will be very great. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.